If you had wings to lift you, and the second star your guide, you'd find a place where all the seasons flourish side by side. Yet past the summer meadow and beyond the autumn wood lies an icy land of secrets, a world misunderstood. But if your mind is open and your heart just has to know, your wings can take you farther than you ever thought you'd go.